Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Sunday, October 21st, 2018. On the 20th, so far one person has died and 88 homes have been damaged after heavy rains caused severe flooding in Vargas, Venezuela. Also on the 20th, strong downbursts caused torrential flooding in Trinidad and Tobago. Rescues are underway as hundreds of people are trapped in flooded homes and vehicles. Also on the 20th, a state of emergency was declared in Pereira, Colombia, after heavy downbursts caused extreme flooding, submerging homes, and damaging infrastructure. Also on the 20th, more strong storms and severe flooding in Bahrain, completely submerging vehicles and damaging homes and businesses. Also on the 20th, once again extreme flooding in Campillo, Spain, turning streets into rivers and damaging infrastructure. On the 19th, more devastating flooding in Oman, Yemen, and Saudi Arabia, damaging infrastructure and causing the closure of several roads and tunnels. Also on the 19th, at least 3 people have been killed and 12 are missing after heavy rains caused a large landslide at a construction site in Penang, Malaysia. Landslides and cracks are intensifying in Baku, Azerbaijan. The landslides have already destroyed several homes. Heavy rains are expected to continue in the coming weeks, raising the threat of further destabilization, putting several more homes at risk. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page. And check out our sponsor, virtualshield.com. Keep your info safe from big data spies. virtualshield.com. Just click the link I left in the description to start your free 30-day trial.